So we're about to do something really, really stupid. I'm pretty sure most of you guys that are watching this have heard of the app called Wish. Well, if you don't know, Wish is an app where you can get on there and you can purchase anything from clothes to shoes to electronics to household items, anything that you probably want, weight loss items, all of this stuff is on Wish, but it's at really, really discounted prices. Now, the funny thing about Wish, or so that I feel, is that a lot of the things that are on Wish a lot of times come to people and they are nowhere near what is pictured in the photograph. So what I'm going to allow you guys to do, I'm gonna allow you guys to follow me as I scroll through Wish. Now, I've heard of Wish before, and I just created this account, and this is my first time scrolling on this website. So you guys are actually going to shop with me on Wish. I have $100 budget, I know, but I have $100 budget that I'm going to be purchasing things off of Wish, and I am going to see if they actually come to me as though they are pictured or as though they are described on the Wish website. Follow me. First thing that is really catching my eye right off the bat is that there are a lot of weight loss products right here on the front page. Are they trying to tell me something? You guys know that I've been on a weight loss struggle for the last 33 years. Okay, I'm 33 years old. I have been on a weight loss struggle for the last 33 years. So I'm just gonna, just to appease myself, I'm going to actually click on some of these products just to see what the reviews are like. So again, I've heard some good things and I've also heard some bad things. So first thing that I'm seeing is this Pure Tea 14-day weight loss tea situation right here. It is $1 and it has 208 reviews and 4.5 out of 5 stars, which is freaking amaze balls for Wish, okay? It says it is called the Weight Loss Tea and Metabolism Booster for women and men. Energized tea for energy and focus, 100% natural appetite suppressant, gentle diet detox tea to reduce bloating and constipation. What? That is a really, really long title, but I'm a blogger. I understand the meaning behind keywords and things, so I already know that's why they put all those words in the title, because they wanted to make sure that they hit all of the important keywords. So let's read some of the reviews. Somebody said, it looks legit. I hope it works out well. I haven't tried it yet. Arrived early. I had my first tea this morning. Can't wait to see how good it works. So it looks like all of these people gave it 5 stars. However, they haven't posted any results. So they just said they hope that it works. So I'm not going to fool around with that. I'm not a tea drinker anyway. And plus, a lot of this stuff is coming from China. Well, all of it is coming from China. So I'm not really sure what they actually have in this tea. I don't know. But it is apparently 100% organic and natural. So if you guys want to check it out, check it out. Let's continue to scroll on. Now, another thing that's really, really catching my eye is this picture right here. You guys, okay, they have a picture of a plus size woman and then a woman over here. And I'm assuming this is her after, but there's no description of whatever this is. All it says is before and after. So I'm just going to click on it to appease myself. It says hot burning fat sticker, slimming diets, weight loss 10 times strongest slim patch pads detox adhesive sheets. What? Okay, first of all, you spelled strongest wrong. So you just throwing me off already. Okay, you're throwing me off already. So this is the thumbnail for this particular product. Then you have this one. And I'm pretty sure whoever the seller of this stuff is, I'm pretty sure they probably stole these pictures offline and they're using them as clickbait for people to purchase their product on Wish. Then you have this one. Then you have this one. These people look great in their before and after pictures, but I'm almost 99.99% sure that all of these pictures were snatched off someone's social media account or just randomly on the internet, and these people are claiming that these people lost the weight by using their product. Let me read some of the reviews because it has 3.5 out of 5 stars. It says, item as described, no complaints, not sure what the product has in it. What? Has a smell of menthol, I'm sorry. So if you have an allergy, not recommended. Arrived over a month early. I have received my package, but I have not tried it yet. Just hope it do me some good. We're gonna bypass that, okay? Now let's move on to some things that I might be interested in. Oh my God, a ramen freaking jacket. Are you kidding me? A ramen, they have a freaking, which one is this? This is the lean flavor. Okay, that's, you guys, now I'm not judging anybody's lifestyle. However, lean is apparently I'm pretty sure they ain't got no lean flavored ramen, but lean is apparently this stuff that these people are using, mixing the cough syrup or whatever together. This is crazy. It's called purple, because they call it perp. Y'all ever heard of them rap songs? Y'all know I'm lame, y'all. They have the chicken flavored ramen, chili flavored, shrimp, beef, pork. This is insanity, and it's $22. This would probably be pretty cool to get for my nephew. The chicken ramen hoodie. But it's $22, and that's over my price limit. Maybe I'll come back later and buy that. That's really funny. That is really, really funny. So let's keep scrolling. Let's keep scrolling. Wow. This might be something interesting for myself. Again, y'all know I'm on this weight loss journey. This is a thermal slimming waist belt shaper fitness slimming workout women body shaper sports bed size small to extra large. So we're gonna actually get this. Well, no, we're not. It has 3.5 out of 5 stars, which isn't necessarily bad for Wish. But let me read some of the reviews. Works great. I've had it on for 2 hours so far. It instantly warms you up even if you're not moving around. It makes you sweat. It's absolutely great. I love it, and it came 2 weeks earlier than it was supposed to. Somebody else said it's perfect. I can't wait to try this because my best works magic, and I have lost interest so far. I'm eager to get this on my waistline. Now look, I'm not sure if they actually put the good reviews on the front page or what, but it seems like all I'm reading is really, really good reviews on the front page. I'm not sure. So, but it's $3 and I'm interested. So I'm gonna put it in my cart. I might be able to find something. Okay, they only have the extra large and the medium available. So I'm gonna have to skip this because from my understanding, if you wear an extra large, you need to size up maybe a size or 2, and they don't. I'm not about that life. So I'm not about to waste no money on nothing like that. So let's keep moving. That is really, really gorgeous. Really, really gorgeous. But again, it's over my price range. It's $15. That's a really, really cute dress right there. And again, it's a lot of weight loss products on this front page for me. So I'm not really sure if they're trying to tell me something. But I ain't buying any of your weight loss products. I don't know what y'all doing. I don't know what y'all got up in that stove. Granted, I don't know what they have in some of this other stuff that we be using. But I feel a little safer if it's coming from the U.S. I don't know. What type of stuff are they selling on Wish? Look at this. Captain Chronic. Now, this will be really interesting for somebody who smokes up the chronic. But it's a new fashion men's, women's 3D cartoon print sweatshirt, funny letters, printed sweatshirt, red pullover hoodie, ombre situation. Now, the biggest size they have is extra large, and they have it only in the red. That's really, really interesting. So you have a picture of the Mr. Captain Crunch man, and it looks like he's using a bong and he's smoking up the chronic. These people. Okay, let's move on. We're gonna actually move over to some of the home decor, and I'm gonna see what they have as far as home decor is concerned. Maybe I can give some things away for Christmas gifts, or maybe I can get some things for myself. Let's see what all they have available here on Wish as far as home decor is concerned. Really? Now this is super duper funny. Now I'm not gonna say it out loud, but you guys can see what this looks like, right? This is in the shape of it. You know what? This is really funny. This is a wine cup party gift. That's really interesting. You know what? I'm gonna actually buy one of these for my sister. She's a married woman. I think this will be really, really funny. It's a nightclub glass cup dildo, crystal transparent dildo, glass wine cup party gift. I'm gonna get one of these. She's gonna get that for Christmas. Hopefully she's not watching this. Hopefully she's not watching this. Okay. I already see now, this is where I'm gonna get all of my Christmas gifts from. My nephew is an avid player of the Fortnite, and I'm pretty sure if you guys have a lot of smaller children, they probably are addicted to this game as well. This game called Fortnite. He plays this game, I'm talking about sun up to sundown. He only gets off when my sister makes him get off to go to school and do his homework and socialize and stuff like that. This boy is addicted to this game. So they actually have a digital alarm clock with the Fortnite situation on it. So this is going to be a Christmas gift for him. He doesn't watch my videos. So yeah, I'm gonna get this for him for Christmas, and hopefully he likes it. And apparently they have different sizes. Why do they have different size clocks? I don't know. Let's see what exactly they mean by sizes. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, they have 7 color changes. Okay, So okay, I'm not really understanding the sizing situation. Okay, I see what they mean by size. They have different pictures as far as the size is concerned. Okay, so that's number 1. This is number 2. Okay, I think I like number 3. Ooh, maybe number 4. I think I like number 4, so I'm gonna get number 4 for him. And I'm gonna add that to my cart. I already see. This is where all of my Christmas gifts are gonna come from. They're all gonna come from Wish. Oh, what? Oh, these are some pretty little pillows. My sister does have a stepdaughter. Here's another alarm clock that I can get her. Because anytime I buy Christmas gifts for my sister's kids, I always buy something for her stepdaughter because her stepdaughter does stay with them sometimes. So sometimes she's with them for Christmas, and I don't, I like to buy all of the kids something. So let's see which one I'm gonna get for her. This is really, really cute. This is a unicorn alarm clock. I like this one right here. Which number is that? Which size is that rather? Let's see. This one is number 7. So I'm gonna get number 7 for her. Super cute. All right. So far in our cart, we have the nightclub dildo glass, and we have the Fortnite alarm clock, and we have the unicorn alarm clock. So I already have 3 Christmas gifts out of the way. And we got a lot of money to spare. Now I need to see if I can find something for my niece, but something that is sticking out to me is this chair right here. Hopefully it's the actual chair that's for sale and not the cloth that is on the chair. But it's $15. But if it's the actual chair, I'm willing to go over my budget just a little bit in order to get this decorative chair. It's the slip cover. I should have known. It's not the actual chair. It's not the actual chair. It's the slip cover. So no, we're not interested in that. This will be another neat Christmas gift to get for my nephew, but I don't know how big this is. It's 4.5 out of 5 stars. My twin boys love it, and it arrived a week earlier. This zipper doesn't seem to be very strong, or the material. I'm hoping it holds up. Other than that, my son likes it. So it looks like it could be promising, but all of the stuff these kids have in their backpacks nowadays, I'm not really sure if it's going to be worth it, but it's neat. It's neat. It does have 4.5 out of 5 stars. So a lot of people could have been rating that based off of the look of the backpack. I'm not sure. And not the functionality. So I'm going to pass on that. Plus it is out of our price range, but it would have been a neat little Christmas gift. Now we are venturing into the danger zone. What I mean by the danger zone is the wigs on Wish. I love me a good wig. Y'all know I got half under here, but I just loves me a good wig. So I've heard some good things about the wigs on Wish, and I've heard some horror stories about the wigs on Wish. So I'm about to venture into the danger zone because it looks like I'm not going to find a whole lot of quality Christmas gifts on here. Although I have seen some really, really nice things, but they're totally out of my price range. So I figure maybe I'll use the rest of my budget for some wigs or something. I don't know. And maybe I can do a follow-up video about wigs that I bought on Wish or something. So let's venture over here as well. So the first thing that pops out to me, because I love really, really big hair. I love big curly hair, and especially by going into fall and winter, it's going to be really nice to keep our head warm, girl. It's going to be really nice to keep our head warm. So I'm going to click on this one. It is $14, a little bit out of my price range, but since I'm not finding any really, really good things over here as far as Christmas gifts is concerned, I'm willing to go up on my budget for a nice wig, okay? Now, this is called an Afro Kinky Curly Wig, synthetic hair for women, female, women's wigs, wig. What? Anyway, let me read some of the reviews on it. It says, oh my God, I love it. Looks natural, totally. Somebody else named Tara said, I love it, just what I wanted. Definitely will be ordering more wigs. Kelso said, I love it. This wig has a lot of thickness to it. I wanted a longer curly wig like the picture, but it still turned out great. We'll continue to buy. So she said she wanted a longer curly wig like the picture, but it doesn't look like it's longer and curly based on her review. So let's look at some of the actual stock pictures, because this is a picture I'm pretty sure they stole off the internet yet again. But this is what the stock picture looks like. So I'm not really sure if it's going to look like it's, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But you know what? I'm gonna add it to the, but then again, what color is it? It doesn't have a way that I can pick the color. So what color? But I'm gonna add it to the cart just in case, because I do. It is cute. Like I said, we're venturing into the danger zone. Let's keep scrolling. And like I said, a lot of these wigs that they have on here, like this lady, she's on YouTube. I can't think of her name, but she's on YouTube. So I'm almost 100% positive that they just stole her picture and put it on their product and hoping that people purchase the wig. Now, look, these people got candy on here. Why they got candy on these? Why y'all stealing? Y'all stealing folks' stuff. Clickbaiting. Stop clickbaiting. Look at this. Now, this is gorgeous. But I already know. Y'all need to quit playing. This has 3.5 out of 5 stars. Stop playing. Now, this is the actual wig that they claim that they sending people. Now, like I said, I'm pretty positive that all of the reviews that they're putting on the front page are reviews that are fairly decent. Okay. So far, so good. It looks beautiful. I'm going to try it on and send another pic. Arrived 15 days before expected arrival date. Hair is soft, no smell. Length is just as described. Great wig for such a low price. Fits comfortably. I did have to cut it only because it's extremely hot and humid where I live, but I love it. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. See, I'm not, it's $30, totally out of my price range, but I'm really not feeling the baby hair thing. It looks cute on other people, but I don't think I look right with the whole baby hair situation. So I'm going to keep it moving. Plus, that's a little expensive for me. That's $30. I'm not going to spend $30 on a wig from Wish. I'm just not finna do it. Now, this right here, y'all need to go on somewhere with this right here. What is this? Stop playing. Now, this looks kind of cute. You have the chopped up kind of scissor cut type of situation going on. I like this. It's really cute. Somebody said this wig wasn't itchy or too shiny. It looks real. It's edgy in the sense that it's cool. Now, to be quite honest, a lot of the people that are leaving reviews are of, the Caucasian persuasion, so I'm not really sure if I'll look cute with this wig on. It's a really, really cute wig. I'm not really sure if it'll look good on me. I don't know. Here's another one that is catching my eye. Really, really cute, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous photo, but I'm 99.9% sure it's not the actual picture of the actual wig. This looks like the picture of the actual wig, and that ain't that. Okay, that ain't that. Not at all. Not at all. I'm not feeling very, very confident, you guys. I'm really not feeling very confident. I think I'm gonna stick with the few things that I have in my cart right now, which are the Afro Kinky Curly Wig, the Unicorn Alarm Clock, the Fortnite Alarm Clock, and the Dildo Shot Glass. So this was a total fail. You guys let me know if you want me to come back on here and if you want me to actually do a video looking for plus size clothes on the Wish website. I don't know. This just seems very time consuming. Most of the things I'm scared to purchase. Some of the things are just sold out. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below if you want to see me shop on Wish for some plus size clothes or something like that. Leave it down in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.